In this video I'm going to show you how to add a drop-down menu in Google Forms. So if you would like to keep things organized, then use this option to make a nice drop-down menu for the answers. So what we will do, we will open our Google form, create a new one or open a existing one. So for now I will use this one and then we will go to the menu on the right. What you can do now is click on the plus sign to add a new question. So let's do this. Add a new question and then say something like, how is your day? The next step will be selecting the multiple choice option on the right side and then this menu will be opened. The next step is to find the drop down option and that is over here. So select the drop down menu and then you will see that we have different options. So the first one will be fine, the second option will be good and the third option will be very good. And now we have created successfully a drop down menu. Always make sure to make this required so people have to answer this question, and after that we can preview it. So what we will do, we will click on the eye sign over here to preview our form. Now do this and then select it, go to next and open the form. As you can see, this is our question with the drop down menu. So as soon as people are going to answer this question, then they can select this drop down menu and select their answer. It looks very professional and this is how you add a drop-down menu in Google Forms. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!